Feeling bored or like you want to be creative and make something, but you're not exactly sure what to create? Today I'm sharing 9 super easy and inspiring art and craft ideas you can try at home. And what makes these so great is that the supplies required for them are items many people already have lying around the house, or they can be found for cheap at the Dollar Tree. Let's jump right in and get crafty. First up, give an old pair of shoes a whole new life. You can paint them, add designs with puff paint, dye them for a bold makeover, or even add some ribbon for your laces and charms. Imagine rocking your own custom kicks that reflect your creativity and personality. Don't forget to use fabric-safe materials to make them last. Next, grab a mini canvas and some paint. These are so fun to work on because their small size takes the pressure off. You can whip up a cute little piece of art in no time. Bonus idea, turn it into a magnet by gluing a small magnet to the back. Got some felt lying around? Create fun characters or cute little food objects. If you don't know how to sew or don't have a needle and thread handy, no worries. You can always use a hot glue gun to attach the pieces of fabric together. These are quick to make and perfect for beginners. Plus, you can turn them into magnets too. Just add a magnet to the back. Look around your house for items that could use a facelift. An old frying pan, a jar, or even a vase. Transform them to adorable decor pieces with some paint or even some twine. You can customize them to match your room or give them as a unique gift. It's a fun way to recycle and decorate at the same time. Here's another fun one. Use air dry clay to make your own custom decor. Shape it into bowls, trays, or ornaments. Let it dry and then paint it however you like. You'll end up with personalized pieces perfect for your home or to give as gifts. Next, grab some watercolor paint and a sketchbook. Draw random shapes and then use a black pen or paint pen to add some designs. This is perfect for creating abstract art, and the process is super fun and a very relaxing way to unwind. Make your own wall hangings. All you need is some yarn and a stick, but if you don't feel like going outside to grab a stick from outside, you could always use a bamboo stick or even these wood handles from your used foam brushes. Cut the yarn into pieces, loop them around the stick, and trim them to your desired length. You could even throw some pom-poms on there if you're feeling fancy. Experiment with colors and patterns to create a stunning piece for your wall. Try making a junk journal. Use magazines, construction paper, and a sketchbook, or upcycle an old book by covering the pages with construction paper or scrapbook paper. Add your designs, doodles, or collages to create something uniquely yours. It's a fun way to recycle and make something meaningful. Another idea is to make your own home decor using popsicle sticks. They're super versatile, and with a little hot glue and paint, you can create so many things. Build a small shelf to display trinkets, or make unique tabletop decor pieces in any shape you like. If you're looking for inspiration, I have a video showing you exactly how to make one of these. Be sure to check it out. These are just a few ideas to spark your creativity when boredom strikes, or if you're feeling some creative block. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And for more fun do-it-yourself tutorials like this one, click this playlist here, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting!